right now you'll see the different knives on the floor, and they're just kind of pointing in different directions. So in this drill, there's many different foot drills that different systems have and different islands will have. This particular one, we're going to do a direction where the foot goes from a neutral position to all the possibilities, but we're going to put it in a specific order. So if you kind of think of a clock, this would be like a 12 o'clock, this would be like a 6 o'clock, that would be like a 3 o'clock, that'd be like a 9 o'clock, and then the ones in between. So you can think of it 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, and then 6 o'clock going up to 12 o'clock. That's one way of thinking of it. What we're going to do in its most basic form is the step patterns. It can be any strike right now, but I'm in what's called the neutral stance. I have both hands up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my right leg and my right hand. I come and do any strike with one step, and that'd be the first step here. Second step's going to be here. Third step's going to be here. I might be striking the person here, I might be striking the person here. It doesn't really matter where I'm striking, but I'm stepping on this pattern here, where this knife is facing. Back to middle, stepping there, stepping there. So those are typically most of my possibilities from somebody comes in attack mode. I gotta step and do strike. I gotta step and do something. I'm gonna step and do a block. Step and do a block. Either that way or that way, it doesn't matter. Step and do it this way, or I might be attacking this side. That's the possibilities for my right leg. That's called the half moon from the right side. Now, if my left foot's going to go, it's going to focus on this side of the half of the moon. This leg typically isn't going to cross over to that side. It's going to pretend that there's a wall between the hips, and it only stays on its side of the wall. So I'll just switch hands on the strikes. So I got my left hand, or left foot here on left hand. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. And like I say, I might not even be facing here, I might be facing over here, striking that guy. I may attack this guy over here. I may attack that guy over here. I may be here, or I might just be doing a block. Same thing on this side. So when I'm facing this way, it's the same idea. I've got my 1, my 2, my 3, my 4, my 5. I've got my 1, my 2, my 3, my 4, my 5. I got my right half moon, and I have my left half moon. There's 5 possibilities. The right side and the left side are always going to do the forward one and the backwards one. Other than that center line, they're not going to cross over each other's feet. So practice that drill. Watch Bob and I do it here. So Bob and I are going to do it together. So we go right side, facing. We're going to face this way, so come on this side. So step into a 1, do a 2, do a 3, do a 4, do a 5, do a 6. Doesn't matter what the strike is. Now we switch sides. Keep the opposite hand up. We do the first one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 on the half moons with the right lead, 5 on the half moons with the left lead. Like I said, there's a lot of patterns that work off this. We're just doing one specific one for this drill.